What's going on, guys? I was gonna tell myself I will not do another Bitcoin crypto video again, but I just want to get some stuff off my chest concerning Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, the meme coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and some and VChain and VTHOR and a whole bunch of other coins. I've been studying crypto. Actually, I got into crypto last year back in 2020. Actually, I got into it like right in the middle. I won't say right in the middle, but like right at the beginning of the pandemic. That's when I started putting my money into cryptocurrencies, along with investing in the stock market, and also buy precious metals. I have a lot of silver. I got some gold, and so I really I would say actually I got into finance deep into it like late 2019, like right before the pandemic. I really got into it, which is weird because I've always knew about finance and money, things of that nature, but I really got deep into it like around like maybe like November, December of 2019, and I got into crypto early 2020. And same with getting to buying index funds and things like that. And one thing about crypto is that I would say if you really want to, I mean, it's riskier, but if you really want to increase your money, put your money into crypto, because even though it's riskier, it's more volatile, you get greater returns. But you really got to be careful because sometimes you might put money in it, you might lose like 90% of your investment. But if you stay patient and if you just do what they call dollar cost averaging, and it's kind of like periodically put a certain amount of money into a crypto like Bitcoin. Even if it crashes, just keep just hold it. There's a term in crypto called HODL, which means just hold your money, don't sell it. Just keep your money in your crypto wallet or whatever, and just hold it. Keep putting money in it, and you got to realize that when it crashes, when the price goes down, that's the best time to buy because it's like the lower the price, the more crypto you can buy. So when the price eventually goes high, you have more money, more profit. So that's pretty much how it goes. But the problem is you have like a lot of people, especially like a lot of new people, who they get into it, don't know what the fuck they doing, and they treat it like the same way like they treating stocks or whatever the case is. And when they put in money in it, the mistake that they do is they put the money in it when it's high. And I wrote actually I made a video and I wrote a blog about FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing out. So the mistake that people do is like when the price goes high, that's when they put their money into it. Then when it crashes, they do what is called panic sell. They panic sell when it crashes. You know what I'm saying? And they're losing their money, which is a big mistake. The best time to buy crypto is when the price is very low. That's when you put your money in it and hold it, hodl, and then wait until the price goes up and everything, and then that's how you increase your money. You know what I'm saying? And the price of Bitcoin, as you can see, is 34,000. I think like 2 months ago, it went up to like 64,000, 64K, and Ethereum went up to 4,300. Now it's back down to 2,300, which is expected because in crypto you might have like a big high, then it'll just crash down. It might lose 50% of its value. I'm not value, but goes down like 50%. Like just how Bitcoin was at 60,000, it went down like half to like 30,000. Then you got Ethereum was 40,000, now 20. You know what I'm saying? So you really gotta know what you're doing to get into it and prepare to lose your money because that's what investing is about. Investing is taking a risk. You know, if you don't like investing, just put your money in a savings account. But when you put your money in a savings account, if you take into account inflation, the value of the U.S. dollar goes down. So it's like the money you keep in your savings account, it loses value. So it's always good to if you want to like increase your assets, put it in an asset that's you get like more increase your increase your assets, just grow your money pretty much, you know and everything because one thing I've never been taught. I wish I was taught this when I was younger about investing. I was not taught about investing when I was younger, so I pretty much got into it like very, 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 very late. But let me just get into the topic of the coins that people are overlooking. People are overlooking um, VChain. Now, VChain right now is at 8 cents. Uh, it was like 2 months ago, it went up to its all time high. It was like 26 cents, I believe, or whatever. And there's VChain has a lot of potential, and there's not really like a lot of hype around VChain as it should be. And I will say that just how there's current hype around Cardano. I would say maybe within later this year or next year, just how like there's hype around Cardano, there's gonna be hype around VChain. You know what I'm saying? Because I started buying Cardano. I think I started buying Cardano last year. ADA last year was like 9 cents. I started buying it. Now it was like over like $1.40. Right now VeChain is at 8 cents, and I would say like over a 90% chance by probably by late this year or early 2022, it'll probably be $1 or more by that time. And I'm sick and tired of people giving conservative estimates because every time I see a YouTube video, somebody gives a conservative estimate. Realistically, it goes way beyond that. So I would say by 2022, you might say I would say it might be a $5 V chain. Between $2 and $5 by that time. And also it's I almost call it sister coin, but it's the token version of VeChain. Which one thing about VTHO is kind of like every time you do a transaction with VeChain, it burns VTHO and everything. And VTHO is super cheap. It's less than 1 cent. And I would suggest you really, really get into VTHO as well. Buy as much as you can, you know, because it's just like listen. Actually, it's weird because when I started buying it, actually I did start buying the VTHO when it was less than a penny. It went up to like 2 cents a few months ago, and then when the whales dumped all their Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? That's when the price of VTHO went down. First, it went down to like 1 cent. Now it's like 0.006499. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still holding on to my VTHO. I got like a shit ton of it. So, you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, shoot, the VTHO can go up to like 10 cents. I'll be all right. VTHO doesn't have to go to $1, man. A VTHO can get up to like 10 to 20 cents, I'd be gravy. You know what I'm saying? But I think VTHO, if you hold on to it for like a long time, maybe like a year or two, it'll reach $1. They say theoretically, if VeChain goes up to $5, VTHO might go up to 50 cents, $1, something like that. You know what I'm saying? So so I'm more optimistic. I'm not like these people. They just so conservative, pessimistic about the price. It doesn't make any sense because when Bitcoin started out, let me go to this website. This is the market cap, coin market cap, historical data snapshot. Cryptocurrency historical data snapshot, and in this website, it pretty much gives you the price of cryptocurrencies going back to 2013. And I was just looking at this earlier today. So if you like click on it, this right here is the cryptocurrency, the crypto chart from 2013. Remember, Bitcoin was at Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently is at 34,000. Back in 2013, Bitcoin was just $134. You know what I'm saying? And I really, really wish I knew about cryptocurrency back then. A lot of people say that. A lot of people say if they got into it like in 2011, 2012, or whatever, they'll be billionaires. And a lot of people shoot themselves in the foot for either like getting out too early or not getting in. You know, and and one thing you notice that, of course, got Litecoin. Litecoin was like $4 back then. You know what I'm saying? But check this out. All these coins right here, from pure coin, name coin on down, they're nowhere to be found on the modern chart. Coins come and go. You know what I'm saying? Because what's in the top 10 today may not be in the top 10 next year. You know. But imagine this: 34,000. Let me go back to this. Oh, 34. Let me go back to the main chart. Okay. 33,000, 34,000. The price of Bitcoin currently right now, as we speak, it went down. It was at 34,000. Now it's at 33,928. This is the price of Bitcoin right now. The price of Bitcoin back in 2013 was at $134. You know what I'm saying? So, and that's why you shouldn't really have a bias about the current price of coins, because Bitcoin used to be less than this. Bitcoin used to be less than a penny. I mean, I'll say like less than $1 when it first came out. So when you see like a coin, like let me just go back to actually let's take for instance Shiba Inu, which is like the hype. There's like a lot of hype around meme coins now, which and I don't have I don't have a prejudice against Shiba Inus or all these other coins, because one thing you gotta realize about crypto, investment's about risk, right? You know, you have like a lot of mainstream Bitcoin maximalists. They have a prejudice against meme coins, the cop shit coins or whatever, like Dogecoin. My philosophy is, say don't put a moralistic overtone on it. Even if it's a meme coin, if you can make money off that meme coin, take advantage of it. You know what I'm saying? You may not be able to hold it forever, but buy meme coins, buy like a billion of like, some people buy like billions of SAFEMOON and Safe Space and stuff like that. My philosophy with that, just buy like a billion of them and forget about them. Just hold it. You know what I'm saying? Because for like SafeMoon and Safe Space, let's take for instance Safe Space. Yeah, there we go. It's kind of like a SafeMoon clone. Look at the Safe Space. I would say for like maybe like less than $5, I bought like a billion of them. A bill of Safe Space, and I don't know if this is rug pull or not, because I bought them and I bought this coin and I checked their like Twitter page. They have updated their Twitter, no new announcements or nothing, and they haven't got any reflections of nothing. You know what I'm saying? But one thing about this coin, I have like 2 billion of Safe Space, right? I'm not gonna buy any more. I bought them less than $5 was pocket change. I just bought them, and I probably will even check it for like maybe the next 10 years or 15 years, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Because it might be worth something. Maybe like in 10 years might be .001 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's my philosophy of meme coins and shit coins. Just buy 1 billion of them, like less than $5-10. Same thing with let me find this other one. If I can find it, they got all these little Inu coins. Yeah, if I can find it. Okay, let's try it. Damn. Let's say for instance, Kanu Inu. Okay, let's say for instance this coin right here, right? You know, it may like totally like go to oblivion or whatever. It may not be here next year or whatever. But check this out. Look at all these fucking zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. One shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. 9 zeros, 1. Okay. You say you got $5. Put $5 in it. With $5, you got, let me see, you got 48 billion. You can get 48 billion motherfucking Keanu Inu coins. It was kind of like a clone of Shiba Inu, because when Shiba Inu came out, you got all these other zillion other Inu coins just came out of nowhere. And you know what I'm saying? But for $5, you can buy 48 billion of it, right? Let's say you put the $5 in it, you know, through you probably buy this like pancake swap or whatever. Uniswap. Yeah, Uniswap. Put your money in there, forget about it. You know what I'm saying? I got it in my wallet. You know what I'm saying? Go about your business, go about your life. Maybe by 2031, you check it. It might be .001. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You bet a shitload of money. You know what I'm saying? The coin may not be there, or if it's still around, hey, you made some money. That's my philosophy on these little meme coins, okay? You know, that's where I look at it. You know, I may have a wrong logic about it, but that's just how I look. You know, anybody get $5 ain't shit. So, I mean, I'm saying just put a little money in it, forget about it. And then once you do that, then you can focus on the coins with utility. You know, like Bitcoin, focus on Ethereum. You can focus on Cardano, which is I bet money. I bet money on the. I'm not gonna. I don't say bet money, but I bet that as I would say, like when Cardano hits $2, fuck the conservative estimates. I think that if Cardano hits $2, which it did, but you know, Brock goes back up, it's gonna hit $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. I'll say it has potential by the end of this year or early 2022 reach about $10 or more, and I'll say by middle of next year, you know, I won't be surprised if it reached like $30 because Cardano was like the most promising crypto, up and coming crypto, and I started buying it when it was like 9-11 cents. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, Cardano, you just buy like 1,000 of them, just hold them, and then just wait 5 years. It might be like in $100 Cardano probably, or more than that. You know what I'm saying? And you made like a shitload of money. So that's why I look at things, because I don't really like these people that talk about like they want to give like a year prediction, 2 year prediction. I'm just looking at it when I'm old and gray. You know what I'm saying? Looking at it from 10, 20 year mindset. You know what I'm saying? Because it's very rare you have like a commentator on crypto. They'll really talk about like decades in the future about the price of a coin. You know, so they always like give you like, well, I mean, which I can stand. They want to give you like seasonal, quarterly predictions, but my philosophy is just hold it for as long as it can. You know, just hold it. You know, what I'm saying about 5, 10 years or more, and then when you get old and gray, you know, what I'm saying money you didn't touch, you know, just take it out of crypto, liquidate it, or whatever the case is. You know, I mean, that's just where I look at it. So if I'm wrong, just let me know in the comments. But that's the way I look at it. But you know what I'm saying? And Dogecoin, that's number 7. And one thing, and the way I look at Cardano is the way I look at Uniswap, because I bought Uniswap last year. It was like $2. I bought it when it was $2. Then I saw like within a few months it went from $2, then it went to $5, $10, $20, and then it went up to like $45 all time high. Then it went down again, and it shot up from $2 to like $15, $20 in like no time. You know what I'm saying? And I think Cardano's going to have the same pattern. You know what I'm saying? So once Cardano gets like back to $2, $3, it's going to shoot up to like $10. That's the way I look at it. You know what I'm saying? But and I would say just have a strategy. Focus on the big boys. Focus on Bitcoin. Focus on Ethereum. Focus on the coins with like practical utility, like VTHO. And also take a little portion of your portfolio. You know what I'm saying? Like a little fraction of it. Put it in the shit coins. Just buy 1 billion of them. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it in your portfolio, whatever, because you never know. Okay, I just want to share this little tidbit about crypto and everything, but I find it very fascinating, and I think within like next 5 years, it's gonna skyrocket. I mean, look at the top 5, top 10. About 5 years, it's gonna look totally different. You know what I'm saying? I'm not like a Bitcoin maximalist, fundamentalist, but there's a possibility. A lot of people saying that Ethereum is gonna be number 1, which is very possible, but we'll see. Because Bitcoin is like the McDonald's of crypto, because it's like the name brand. Even people who don't know about crypto, they know what Bitcoin is, but don't know anything about Ethereum, Cardano, or whatever. But and the reason why Dogecoin is so high, because it's a name brand. People look at Dogecoin, and there was like media hype around it. Plus, he have Elon Musk, who really like put it in the spotlight. And plus, it has a dog symbol, the dog meme, whatever, and everything. So people drawn to that and everything. So that's why Dogecoin is popular. And I'm not buying any more Dogecoin. I sold some of it. That's like when Dogecoin skyrocketed. I took some of that. Bought VeChain and VTHO with it, and then I just took the rest as profit. But I just hold on to my Dogecoin. If it crashes, it crashes. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know what I'm saying? I just hold on to it. You know what I'm saying? And if it goes up to $1, that's probably when I'll sell it and everything. But then I'm not gonna buy any more Dogecoin unless it goes down further, less than like maybe to like 5 cents or whatever. I'll buy it, but I'm not gonna really put more energy into it and everything. But that's all I had to say on that. You know what I'm saying? If you have any questions or any commentary, just let me know. And that's all I had to say. And peace.